Welcome. This tutorial is second part of composing messages. In this tutorial, we will learn how to check spelling. We will also learn how to attach a file while creating a message. To start, go to File menu, point to New, click on Mail Message. Add the recipient name. Write the subject here. Now, to check spelling and grammar of the text written in the message box, go to Message tab. Under the Proofing group, click on Spelling and Grammar. You can also press F7 on keyboard to open Spelling and Grammar dialog box. From here, you can ignore, you can change, or you can correct the spelling mistakes. Select this box to check for grammatical mistakes and then click on autocorrect. Click on yes. This is how you can check spelling and grammatical mistakes while creating your message. Now we will learn how to attach a file in a message. To insert a file, go to Insert tab. Under the Include group, click on Attach File. This will open Insert File window. To attach a file, select a file from your computer. Click on Insert. This is how you can insert or you can attach a file to your message. To attach an Outlook file, click on Attach Item. Select the message and then click on OK. This is how you can attach another Outlook file in your message. You can also attach business cards from here. Click on Send to send this message. You have learned how to check for spelling and grammatical mistakes and how to attach a file while creating a message in Microsoft Outlook. Thank you.